Welcome to our video. Today we will take a closer look at split AC. The ZMAX Split AC is an elegant and powerful product that is perfect for modern homes. ZMAX Split AC is famous for its elegant appearance and flexible installation methods. It consists of two main parts: indoor unit and outdoor unit. The indoor unit is responsible for sending cold air into the room, while the outdoor unit is responsible for heat dissipation. This design not only saves space, but also effectively reduces noise and provides a more comfortable use experience. ZMAX Split AC has launched two products based on market demand. Both products use the environmentally friendly refrigerant R454B, which is an environmentally friendly refrigerant with a lower global warming potential, GWP. This makes split AC more sustainable while providing efficient cooling. The use of R454B not only reduces energy consumption, but also contributes to environmental protection. The difference between these two products lies in the temperature range. The first product uses a 24SEER2 hyperheat split AC, which has a temperature range of 5 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This product can still maintain excellent cooling and heating effects in extreme weather conditions, which is perfect for users who need high efficiency. The second product, this air conditioner, uses a 20SEER2 heat pump split AC, which has a temperature range of 5 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Although the temperature range is slightly lower than the first model, it can still meet the heating needs of most homes. The main difference between these two products is their air conditioning system and temperature range. No matter which one you choose, we are committed to providing you with efficient and reliable air conditioning solutions. Finally, ZMAX Split AC also adheres to high standards in product manufacturing. We use advanced production technology and strict quality control to ensure that each split AC can meet international standards. ZMAX Split AC is suitable for global market needs and has obtained RE certification and ETL certification, suitable for multiple markets around the world. In conclusion, ZMAX Split AC is an ideal choice for modern homes with its high efficiency, environmentally friendly refrigerant, and smart control functions. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit our website or contact us.